dear children, welcome back to this new video.
In this video, we will learn about history and basic terms of internet.
Before that, we will see what is the use of this internet. Nowadays, we are using internet. So, we all know what is the use of this internet. What is the use of it? It is used for fast and economic medium of communication. It is also used to send and receive message from one computer to another in the fraction of seconds.
First, we will see about history of internet. The foundation of internet was laid in 1969. The first internet was used in Department of Defense. The United States of America started a network called ARPANET. ARPANET full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The basic aim of ARPANET was to develop efficient network in the midst of nuclear attack. Later in 1980, the ARPANET project was assigned to National Science Foundation. That means NSF. That NSF want to link the 5 supercomputer at university for the sharing of informations. So the NSF built the own network based on the ARPANET technology that is called National Science Foundation Network. Over time, it is expanded to include business, universities, government and so on. Finally, this network included billions of computers. Now this network is called internet. Okay children, now we will see basic terms of internet. First internet term is World Wide Web. It is a collection of documents. These documents are connected through the links that is spread over the thousands of computers through the internet. That is a World Wide Web. World Wide Web can display any kinds of information such as textual, graphical or audiovisual information. Next term is web page. The document available on the World Wide Web is known as web pages. A web page is a web file containing informations. This information may be a text or graphics or audio or video. Next term is website. A collection of related web pages known as website. These web pages are organized in a website like a book pages. Next term is hypertext or hyperlink. This hypertext or hyperlink is used to move to another part of the same web page or different web page. This can be done by clicking on the hyperlink or hypertext. This hyperlink or hypertext simply we can say link. Next term is home page. The first page in the website is known as home page. This home page provides the basic information about the website. It is also contain link to other pages. Next term is web browser. Web browser is a software used to find, retrieve, view and send information over the internet. Using the web browser, we can access and display the web pages on the screen. There are two types of web browsers. They are text browsers and graphical browsers. Text browsers are used to display only textual information on the web page. Examples of text browsers are Linux, W3M and WebEye. Next one is graphical browser. It is used to display all kinds of objects present on the web page. Examples of these graphical browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Safari and Opera. Next term is web server. The pages on the internet stored on a computer that is connected to the internet. That computers are called web servers. These computers have server software that serve the web page on the request. Next term is download or upload. Download means to copy data or program from the internet to our computer. Upload means to copy the program or data from our computer to internet. Next term is online or offline. Online means any activity undertaken while the computer is connected in the internet. Offline means opposite of that. When we are doing the activity, the computer is not connected in the internet. That is a offline. Next term is Internet Service Provider. Its short form is ISP. This Internet Service Provider is a company that provide an access to the internet. This ISP charges a monthly fee and register the person to connect the internet. When we are registered with the ISP, we can sign up the internet account. Then we can get the information such as username, password, access phone number, etc. Using this, we can log on to the internet. Next term is URL. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. The internet is made up of millions of pages of information. These pages have unique address is called URL. Next term is domain name. Domain name is a unique name that is used to identify a particular website and represent the name of the server where the web page is stored. It is human readable address. It is easy to remember. Some examples of domain names are www.yahoo.com and www.microsoft.com. These domain names have two or more parts that is separated by dots. The letter occurring after the dot identify the domain type. This domain name represents the type of organization or country. Here dot with 3 letters. .com that represent the commercial and profit organization. Next one .edu represent the educational institution. .gov represent the government agencies. .org represent the non-profit organization. .mil represent United States military. .net represent networking organization. This domain type has dot with 3 letters. In addition that 2-letter abbreviations also we are used. Some of them are .in represent India, .au represent Australia, .ca represent Canada, .uk represent United Kingdom, .nz represent New Zealand, .dk represent Denmark, .jp represent Japan, .fr represent France. Okay children, in this class we studied about history of internet and basic terms of internet. Okay, thank you dear children.